All right, so this is the other thing that can happen. Maybe they don't give you the angle or they don't give you the arc and they want you to figure it out. It doesn't really change a whole lot. We're still going to use proportion. But in this situation, it tells me that the area of sector AGD is 16.75. So I actually know what I'm usually looking for. So I know those two things, and I can always figure out the area as long as it gives me the radius, which it does. So it's pi times 4 squared, which is 16 pi. All right, so it gives me 16 pi there. So what I'm doing is I'm just going to cross multiply here, and I'm solving for the angle, or the arc. They're the same thing because it's a central angle, instead of what I'm usually doing, which is solving for the area of the sector. So it's 360 times 16.75, 60/30. Then I have to divide by 16 pi. Now, this is one of these situations where we have to think about this. Because I have two things in the denominator, I have to do it in terms of a fraction. I'm going to make sure that it doesn't want it in terms of pi. I highly doubt it. No, it says nearest degree. So when I put this in, if I don't put it in terms of a fraction, it's not going to divide it the way that I want it to. It's going to mess the order of operations up. So I should get 119.96. Which is 120 degrees because it went to the nearest degree. So be very careful when you're dividing. If you're ever dividing by more than one thing, you need to put it in a fraction of the calculator. It will not understand the order of operations.